In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Monday.com to Outlook so you can streamline your workflow and never miss an update. Whether you're syncing emails or calendar events, this integration will help keep your team in sync. Let's get started. First, go to Monday.com and sign into your account so you can access your dashboard. Next, go to your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen to open the settings menu. Then click App Marketplace. This is where you can find integrations and add-ons. In the Marketplace, use the search bar to type Outlook and you'll see the Microsoft Outlook integration appear. After that, click Use App to begin the setup process. Choose which workspace and board you want to connect, then click Add App to install it to your board. Finally, you'll see a list of Outlook automations you can activate, such as creating items from emails or syncing calendar events directly to Monday.com. And that's how you connect Monday.com to Outlook. If this video helped you automate your workflow, be sure to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick tutorials. See you next time!